Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato brushing teeth. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. Let's draw his eyes, his nose. I draw his face and the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. He also holds his toothbrush in his hand. He is holding a toothbrush in his mouth. Draw some foam around him. Now draw his body, his arms. Amazing! Now let's draw the faucet in front of him. Finally, we draw Pato next to him. I start with his eyes, then his beak. They look at each other. His body. Really good. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Pocoyo first. I use cream for his skin. His toothbrush is going to be red. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to use this blue marker. And yellow. Let's continue with Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I colored his body with this yellow marker. I use orange for his beak. Finally, I colored his hat dark green. For the faucet, I use light blue. And gray. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.